In this video, I want to talk about how you can fix the canonical URL issue on Shopify. Now keep in mind, 95% of the time when you see this message, it doesn't really do anything, so you don't need to do anything about it. But if it annoys you or you really find it bothering, you can fix this simply by installing an app. So go to Apps, click on Shopify App Store. Inside of here, select the canonical tag, just type it in and look for the MIT one. Or you can also find other ones, but this is the best one. And you can see here, easily edit canonical tags and prioritize URLs for indexing. So you can try this one, and I wrote a little short guide here, and this will also just tell you what I just told you. You can also use Smart SEO and just set it up from in there. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.